Twilight, you chew this? Did you chew this? Did you chew that? Did you chew that? Hey. Did you chew this? Did you chew this? Twilight, did you chew this? No. Did you chew this? Did you chew this? Yep. You chew that. My cat has obsession with chewing on straws. I'm just thankful she is no longer chewing on wires or putting holes in a plastic mattress. But I solved that problem with buying a regular mattress. You do this. Did you chew that? Did you chew this? You looking shamey now? You do this. Yeah. Gotta love my fur babies. Hey, stop that.